Good morning guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 14 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So all you have to do is tap on power button and hold it. And once you feel a smooth vibration, also once you see the logo, you can remove finger from power button and wait just a couple of seconds till your phone is rebooted, then you will be able to use it again. And now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.